Guys, I don't do a whole lot of desserts on the channel, but when I do, I want y'all to listen up because today's dessert item is, we're gonna do a pineapple donut sandwich. Whew, golly boy. I fixed these the other day for a group, and I'm gonna tell you what, dang, people were pretty much fighting over these things. So, y'all listen up, buckle up, little buttercups. Got a donut right here, old Krispy Kreme donut. Take you a nice scalloped edge knife here and do your best to kind of cut them in half also. And hopefully your dog isn't hacking up like my dog apparently. She's ready for this donut as well. Y'all, I'll tell you what, this thing, I'd never made this before, and I thought, you know what? These people want a dessert item, and I'm going to give them a dessert item. But did I think to test it? Nope. I thought, you know, I think it'll work. I just think it'll work. And by golly, boy, it did. The next star of the show is just some pineapple slices. And what you do is we're gonna cook these pineapple slices right onto the griddle top, okay? And how we're gonna do that is we're gonna take some good old butter. Now, I will mind you, this is gonna be messy. There's gonna be some sugars, there's gonna be all kinds of stuff. So try to work in batches. Try to keep the pineapple maybe on one side, and then we're gonna toast our donuts over on this other side. So we're gonna focus right in here, and we're gonna liberally put some butter down onto a griddle. Off some of that juice. The juice is good, so just, I mean, it's the sugars that's gonna go right into that pineapple. Each one of these pineapples is gonna get some of this brown sugar. Just be liberal. Pineapple loves brown sugar. They're like peas and carrots. This is cinnamon sugar. Yes, I know, sugar on sugar, but it's good. It's really good. Needs a little salt, okay? Just a little pinch of salt. We're just gonna come in just with a little bit of salt. That salt really helps with the sugar. It really rounds everything out. We're gonna let our pineapple go right here. Let's focus our attention right over here in the middle. That's where our donuts are gonna go. Take some more butter. Don't tell your cardiologist who did this, okay? It ain't Hussey's fault, okay? It's Jacob's fault. We're gonna take our donuts. We're gonna lay them just like that right there. Ho, ho, ho. Lay that cut side down first. Boys and girls. Boys and girls, daggone it, boys. We're gonna flip over our pineapple rings just to see where they're at. They're looking really good. Very elusive. Whew, I wanna flip, come on now. Come on, pineapple. I want this side to have a little bit of this brown sugar also. It just needs it, okay? All right, after about another minute, we're gonna flip our donuts. Look at that, that's exactly what you want. You want it nice, you want a nice little crust. Nice little crust. Boys and girls. We're gonna give our, yeah, we're gonna let this pineapple, it needs to soften up just a little bit more. But by golly, it's about done. All right, now to make this just even better, we're gonna take a little bit of honey and we're gonna come around each one of these pieces of donuts, just like this. A little figure eight, guys. Holy smokes. You have got to be kidding me. All right. And now, some more cinnamon sugar. Right onto that honey. Oh boy. Oh man, I smell that honey. We're gonna flip our pineapple just a little bit. On this other side, it's looking real good. Looking real good. Our pineapple, it's done. It's got some nice caramelization. Now we're just gonna lay each one of these pineapples onto our donut. Whoop, watch out. Got one a little crazy over here. A little crazy. Whoop. Got one right here. One of them's just gonna be a double. Look at that, look at us. All right, put that right there on top. Put it over onto our cutting board. Dang it, boys. Put the top on that one. Whew. Boy, that sugar's hot. We're almost there. We are not done yet. We are not done. We're gonna take a little bit of powdered sugar. A little sift right here. You ready for this? Make it snow. Make it snow. Make it snow. Make it snow. Maggie. Poor Maggie. Hey, girl. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, Maggie girl. You're just trying to catch some scraps and I'm messing with you, ain't it? Yeah. Well, guys, there you have it. There is our dessert griddled donut. Pineapple griddled donut. I don't even know. All I know is it's really good. And we're gonna give it a try right here, right now, boys and girls. Oh my God. That pineapple gives it a sweetness. And all the sweetness going on. It's so good. That pineapple is cooked perfectly the way I like it. It's still got some substance to it. It ain't just falling apart. It's be good with some dang ice cream too, I'll tell you that. Dang. Y'all, give this dessert donut a try. I guarantee you're gonna love it.